Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a minion dressed as a pilot from the new Minions movie, The Rise of Gru. So before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe and maybe even share this video with a friend. Any of that would be awesome. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to do 2 circles. So one here, and then give a little bit of space, and then do the other one. And then I'm going to do a line, and then a half circle in each one. And then I can do a full circle in each one, and then another half circle there in the middle, like that. And we can try to match them up, make them kind of the same size, but it's okay if they're not perfect. Mine right now are definitely not perfect, and that's okay. We're just drawing and having fun. Okay, so now we are going to kind of do like the number 8 if it was on its side. So we're just kind of doing the frame around these minion eyes. Like that. And now we can do like a little shape here on the side, on both sides. And up top here, we can do a line. And it's going to come out a little bit further. And we can draw 2 lines going up here, and then it's slanting upward there in the middle, like that. So this is the start of the pilot hat. So we can kind of come outward on both sides, and then come on up, and then downward. And this part of the hat, I'm going to do a line here and a line here. And here in the middle of this part of the hat, we can do a little circle here, and then a little curve on top, a little curve on the bottom. And now we can do like little wings. We can try our best to match them up on both sides, but like I said before, doesn't have to be perfect. We're just having fun. Okay, so now we can kind of come down here on both sides and down this way. And give our minion a little smile. And then do a curved line right here. And a little line here on both sides, and then we can kind of do a V shape, and 2 little slanted lines here in the middle. Bring them on down a little bit further, and now we can do 2 other little slanted lines, and then a line here in the middle, and then we're going down this way with 2 other slanted lines, but they're going down that way, so we got a little tie. And next, let's see, let's do a line here and a little line there, and we can come on in, come on out a little bit, and come on back in, and we can do the same on the other side, kind of like a little zigzag. So this side we're coming outwards a little bit and down. And over here, we can come on down, and we can go across, and we can come down on this way and go across, and we can do his little arms behind his back, and let's see, this line is going to connect to right here. And we can do one circle, another one, and another one, and another one. So these are like the buttons on his outfit. And this same little shape, the same little symbol we made earlier, we can make another one right here. So we'll do a little circle, a little curve up top, curve on the bottom, and those little wings. Like that. And now he needs little feet. So we got one leg and another leg and 1 foot and 2 foot. All right, so we've got our drawing done, and now I'm gonna get started with the coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our pilot minion drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!